Hello, grateful students. Good morning. We are going to learn Social Science, Chapter 7 Forest and Wildlife in India. Types of forests in India. The kinds of trees that grow in a forest depend on the type of soil, climate, and physical features of a place. So, this line tells us the forest will depend upon the type of soil. There are 6 types of soil we saw in the previous class, in the previous lesson also. Alluvial soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, black soil, red soil. So, we know according to that soil and climate, we know the climate also. And then we know the physical features also of a place. Based upon that only a forest is growing. India has diverse landforms, soil and climate. What is the meaning for diverse? Different. India has different landforms, soil and climate. So the first point tells us the forests depend on the type of soil, climate and physical features. The same point is repeated. India has different landforms, soil and climate. Therefore, different types of forest are found in India. Students, now we shall learn about evergreen forest. What is the meaning for evergreen? Always green. So, how will a tree be always green? Because we know that during summer season, in a particular season, all the leaves will shed down. That means fall. Only branches will be seen. But here is a forest that is always green, leaves will not fall down. So, we shall read about that forest area, that is place. In India, the evergreen forests are found in hills of the northeast region on the slopes of the Western Ghats and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now they have mentioned the place where these forests are seen. They tell Western Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Students, now we will refer page number 22 in your book. We can see here Western Coastal Plains. That is the Western Ghats lies on the west side of the India, that is Kerala. So Western Ghats lies here and we can see here Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So these are the two places where the evergreen forests are found. Now if you take page number 50, we can refer the map of India. The different types of soil are found and we can see the names of the soil, and this tabular column explains us about the different types of soil and the plants they grow. So only India is a land of diverse. Okay, diverse means different. So not only people are there, even the land also is different. Land form is different and we can see the climate is also differ. We saw where the Western Ghats and the Andaman Nicobar Islands are there, and also we saw different types of soil that are available in India. Reference we have taken as the maps in the previous lessons. Now we are going to see the description. We shall now see the explanation. The trees found in evergreen forest remain green throughout the year. So this point is explained as that the evergreen forest, this type of forest will always be green. Remain means they will stay, okay? They will be green throughout the year, always 365 days. They are always green. There is no particular season during which trees shed their leaves. So, there is a season when all the leaves will fall down. So, for this forest, there is no any season. Some common trees found here are ebony, mahogany, and rosewood. So here they are given some examples for the trees that are found in this forest: ebony, mahogany, and rosewood. Now we saw this topic, children. In India, the evergreen forests are found in the hills of the northeast region, on the slopes of the Western Ghats and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Description: the trees found in evergreen forest remain green throughout the year. There is no particular season during which the trees shed their leaves. Some common trees found here are ebony, mahogany, and rosewood. Now we saw the reading also. So what did we learn in this session? We learned particularly only evergreen forest. We learned now evergreen forest only. In the next class we will learn about deciduous forest. Thank you, children.